marketplace here. You can get freeze-dried apples, fresh pineapple spears, grapes, and my husband's favorite, these huge pickles. These are our favorite things to snack on, and you'd be really surprised at all the different options that you have here to grab something quick to eat. The stuff on this table is junk food. These look like junk, but actually they're just dried apples. No other ingredients, just freeze-dried Fuji apples. My son loves these, and we all like to snack on them too. Truthfully, with the smells of churros and fresh popcorn wafting through the air at Disneyland, it is a little bit hard to not get hungry when you smell everything. Just make sure that you snack during the day if you want to try to stick to your gluten-free or paleo diet. There's lots of things around the park that you can buy, like pickles or pineapple spears or fresh fruit. But also, don't forget to bring your real deal chocolate chip cookies and your fruit strips. If you are lucky enough or unlucky enough to be pushing a stroller through the park, make sure to store all of your snacks and waters underneath. We freeze our waters at night so they stay cold throughout the day, otherwise they'll run you $3 to $4 at the park. Make sure to bring some dried mango, seaweed snacks, clementines, and of course the real deal chocolate chip cookies to snack on, as well as some of those homemade fruit by the foot strips.